The cold shot this morning. Temperatures are starting below zero in a lot of spots. So cold air out ahead of the system. The blizzard warning in effect for the areas you see in red. That is mainly eastern Massachusetts. Cape and Island still included in this, and then winter storm warnings in Worcester County as well as parts of New Hampshire. Now, as we go through the day, here's what we're expecting. I want to first talk about this blizzard, though, because, what it actually means is visibilities are going to be reduced to about 1/4 of a mile for at least 3 hours. And for this one, it could be a long duration blizzard because we're talking several hours with very strong wind gusts upwards of 35 miles per hour with falling, blowing, and drifting snow. Remember, we already have snow on the ground. Then we're going to get about 1 foot in a lot of spots, and that's that light, fluffy snow because it's so cold, so it's just going to blow around very, very easily. So I do think whiteout conditions are possible starting tomorrow morning. Definitely going to be very dangerous. Don't want to be driving on the roads. Here's our system right now. It's up to the north and west, and it's going to dive down, redevelop, and really intensify over the Atlantic Ocean as we head through this evening and into the overnight. And then it'll really bomb out, and those winds really ramp up overnight. Right now, though, mainly clear skies out there have led to cold temperatures this morning. Stepping outside right now, 4 degrees in Boston, 0 on the Cape, 1 degree right now in Worcester, and 4 below in Keene. It is cold out there, folks, and it is going to be cold through the day today. You factor in a little bit of a wind, and there is some wind in some spots. It feels like 9 below in Boston right now and 10 below in Worcester. So it is cold, and those wind chills are going to be even colder tomorrow, and Mike's going to talk all about that. As we go through the day of Valentine's, here's what we're expecting. The snow really starts around 3 or so. It continues through 6 o'clock, becoming more steady, and those winds will be shifting from the south to the north and east and finally the north as the system comes around, and then the north and west. So the futurecast looks like this. Snow breaking out around 1 o'clock out in western Mass. It fills in and becomes more steady right around 5, 6 o'clock. It continues through the evening. Now around 10 o'clock, notice the heaviest snow pushing up towards southern Maine. That is where they're going to experience the highest totals, I think. And then this back edge of it is going to redevelop and pull right back in over top of us as this area of low pressure really strengthens right by us. So the winds ramp up, the snow ramps up. We could see snowfall rates at about 1 inch an hour right around 7, 8, 9 o'clock. Notice some darker purples in there. And it continues through the early afternoon, and then it winds down. But those winds will still be cranking. When all is said and done from this, I'm going to show you that in just a bit. But first, 2 to 5 inches is what we look for today until 11, 5 to 10 from 4 o'clock on till around lunchtime or so. So when all is said and done, it looks like 12 inches inside of I-95, excuse me, through the South Shore. 8 to 12 through Worcester County down along the South Shore, and the Cape as well will be around 6 to 10 to 8 to 12. With more on the wind, the cold, and the coast, here's Mike.
Yeah, let's check out what's going to be happening along the coast, because as a nor'easter comes in, typically we get very concerned. But the strongest winds, when they happen tomorrow morning, they're going to be more of a northerly direction. Added to that, the fact that the tide is not astronomically that high. At 10.1 in the morning, at 7:28, at 8 o'clock at night, it's a 9-foot tide. So really what we're looking at here is a storm surge, that bubble of water, 2 to 2.5 feet, building seas offshore. So it's really minor flooding with pockets of moderate flooding. And those pockets, I'm really kind of looking at Sandwich to Dennis. Also, we'll probably keep an eye on like the Nahant Causeway, and then as you look through Plum Island, because a north wind coming right along there could cause some severe beach erosion. The other thing is this cold is unbelievable. We already have wind chill warnings out. This goes into effect at 4 o'clock tomorrow, goes all the way through 8 a.m. Monday morning. Wind chill indexes could drop to as much as 30 degrees below zero. It is going to be a very frigid start to the week. First, we've got to go through the snow. Snow arriving today. Snow tomorrow morning and kind of tapering off a little bit as we head late into the day, about 18 degrees for a high temperature. But look at the high temperature on Monday. 10. Morning low is 3 degrees below zero. This is what I'm talking about. With that wind out of the north at 35 miles per hour, a 3 degree below zero reading makes it feel like it's 31 degrees below zero at early morning Monday. And you know what? The wind chill index doesn't really get above zero all day. So Monday is really frigid out there. We've got another chance of some snow on Tuesday. This one has really had a lot of disparity between the computer models right now, but now we're starting to come into a solution. Originally, it was looking like it was going to be inland farther, and it would be more of a rain event, which we don't need right now. That rain would fall, soak up with that snow, and the weight on the roofs would get even more tremendous. So right now, this is kind of a snow solution. I know you don't want to hear about that, but it's better than the rain solution. We have some snow coming in here. I do think right at this point, just looking at what I'm seeing right now, this is kind of a shovelable snow. It doesn't look like what we're going through right now, and it will have some wind associated with it as well. So again, that's going to be happening as we talk about Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. But the cold continues. Right behind it, we've got that flowing cold air back in here. High temperature on Thursday is only 14 degrees, 20 on Friday. There may be some modification of the temperatures a little bit as we head towards next week. Not a warm-up, but a little bit milder than what we have been lately. But for right now, hunker down for the blizzard. We've got a good one coming in this way. Jim and Antoine.